Sean "Diddy" Combs faces major legal blow as lawyer steps down amid racketeering and sex trafficking case. Sean "Diddy" Combs, a music mogul and influential figure in the hip-hop industry, is facing one of the most challenging times of his life as he remains behind bars while battling serious legal charges. The Bad Boy Records founder, known for his decades-long dominance in the music industry and his vast business empire, now finds himself at the center of a high-profile federal case involving sex trafficking and racketeering allegations. As if his legal troubles weren't already mounting, another major setback has hit the rapper and entrepreneur. His defense attorney, Anthony Ricco, has unexpectedly stepped down from representing him, further complicating his fight against the accusations that could potentially put him behind bars for life. Lawyer's sudden exit raises questions. Ricco's decision to leave the case came as a shock, as he had been working alongside lead attorney Mark Agnifilo to defend Combs. In a court filing submitted on Friday, Ricco stated, "There's no way I can continue to effectively represent him." Although Ricco did not disclose specific reasons for his sudden departure, the move raises questions about the state of Diddy's legal defense and whether internal conflicts or legal strategy disagreements played a role. Sources close to the case suggest that Ricco's exit could indicate deeper issues within Combs' legal team, potentially making it even more difficult for him to fight the serious allegations. Diddy's legal woes, a timeline of events. The hip-hop mogul's troubles began in September 2024 when he was arrested at his Los Angeles residence following a federal investigation. Authorities charged him with multiple crimes, including sex trafficking and racketeering, charges that carry severe penalties if convicted. Since his arrest, Combs has maintained his innocence, vehemently denying all allegations against him. His legal team has argued that he is being unfairly targeted, and they have vowed to fight the charges in court. However, as the case progresses, more disturbing details have emerged. Federal prosecutors claim that Combs was involved in a large-scale operation that facilitated the trafficking of women and engaged in illegal financial activities. Allegations of coercion, threats, and a secretive network designed to exploit victims have been outlined in legal documents. The prosecution's evidence reportedly includes testimonies from multiple individuals, financial records, and digital communications that link Combs to the alleged crimes. Diddy's life behind bars. Since his arrest, Combs has been held at Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center, where he reportedly spends his days in isolation. Sources close to the rapper say that he is experiencing painful days behind bars, adjusting to life in a facility far removed from the luxury he was once accustomed to. Insiders claim that Combs has been struggling with the psychological impact of incarceration, particularly as he faces the possibility of spending the rest of his life in prison. Despite his fame and fortune, prison life has been a harsh reality check for the music mogul. Potential consequences if convicted. The charges against Combs are not just serious, they could be life-altering. If convicted of racketeering, he faces a life sentence. The sex trafficking charge alone carries a minimum sentence of 15 years, meaning that even if he avoids the maximum penalty, he would still spend a significant portion of his life in prison. Legal experts believe that the prosecution is building a strong case against Combs, and with Ricco stepping down, it could signal trouble for his defense strategy. The loss of an experienced attorney at such a critical moment could weaken his chances of a favorable outcome. The public's reaction. News of Diddy's arrest and legal troubles has sent shockwaves through the music industry and his fan base. Many are struggling to reconcile the image of the successful businessman and influential artist with the serious accusations he now faces. While some fans have expressed support, believing in his innocence and calling the charges an attempt to bring down another successful black entrepreneur, others have distanced themselves, expressing outrage over the allegations. Several artists who once collaborated with Diddy have remained silent, while others have subtly addressed the controversy through social media posts or interviews. The case has also sparked discussions about the broader issue of abuse and exploitation in the entertainment industry. Advocacy groups have pointed to Combs' situation as part of a larger pattern of powerful figures allegedly abusing their influence. What's next for Sean "Diddy" Combs? As the legal battle continues, Combs faces an uphill struggle. His defense team must quickly regroup following Ricco's departure and formulate a strategy to challenge the prosecution's claims. With his fate hanging in the balance, the next few months will be crucial in determining whether Diddy can successfully fight the charges or if his legacy will be forever overshadowed by the allegations against him. For now, the music mogul remains in custody, awaiting his next court appearance as the world watches to see how this high-stakes case unfolds.